Hello, this is Matt on the Moon Lambo channel. I'm going to share with you in this very latest Moon Lambo Hot Jam some interesting metrics about XRP and the XRP ledger. And, you know, if you've been here for a while, maybe it won't surprise you that we're seeing some of what we're seeing, but I certainly want to acknowledge that when we were in the depths of the bear market, it seemed like the type of data I'm about to share with you, it was impossible. It was never going to happen again. But of course, here we are. We had the bottom of the bear market 2 years ago with the collapse of FTX, November of 2022. And now the exciting things that I get to share with you, I'm just very thankful for it, because it is not what it looks like normally to be investing in crypto and XRP specifically. Most of what it is sideways and downward price action and getting beat over the head with bad news, basically, right? And bad price action. But then, for short periods of time, you get what's unfolding right now, and this right now is where the opportunity for life-changing wealth lives. You're going to like this stuff. But before going further, I do want to be clear. I do not have a financial background of any kind. I am not offering financial advice. And you definitely should not buy or sell anything because of anything I say or write. I'm just an enthusiast who enjoys making YouTube videos about crypto-related topics, but just as a hobby and just for fun. All right, so you already, at this point, you're well aware that XRP's been going bonkers today, right? And I don't know what it is by the time you're watching this video, but breaking above $1 for the first time in years. And I just wanted to show you the volume has busted through with some serious force. So a normal 24-hour period for XRP in terms of volume would be probably around $1 billion, but when there's a lull, like recently, maybe it might have been a little before the election, it was down to 500 million in a 24-hour period. But for most of this year, it's probably fair to say it would be, 800, 900 million to $1 billion, somewhere around there. Over the last 24 hours, as I'm recording this, the volume for XRP for the 24-hour period is, I'll use the round number here, $15.5 billion. And what did I tell you? I told you that when the price was lower, there's less interest. But then when the market comes roaring back, then money starts flowing through, demand increases. And then when XRP costs more, of course, more money's flowing through the system, as you can see right there based on that volume. That's when people are interested in purchasing XRP, when it costs way more. And then when there's more people and more demand for it. Look at that volume. That is insane. That is not normal volume for XRP, and you love to see it. And whales, my God. So whales are doing their thing. I want to share this post from on-chain analytics firm Santiment first, and then I'm going to share with you the specifics about XRP. But here's what they wrote just yesterday. It's kind of like a general thought about whale activity. And they just said, when prices surge throughout crypto, the way we've all been seeing, special attention should be placed on which coins whales are stealthily selling off via exchanges. Oh, okay, sage wisdom. I'm a big fan of Santiment. They're very strong on the data, let's say here. Okay, so what about XRP whales? Are we in danger of them dumping on the market, crushing our little XRP plebeian dreams? No, quite the opposite. Here's the headline from the Crypto Basic. XRP whales stack 320 million tokens in 72 hours as XRP nears $1. And of course, this was written before it hit $1, so we know how that part of the story progresses anyway. But still, check this out. XRP whales are amassing the cryptocurrency in scads as bullish momentum pushes the coin to 3-year highs. XRP has been in fine form in the past 7 days. The XRPL native token has exploded 70% in the past week amidst swelling bullish momentum around its ecosystem amid speculations around SEC Chair Gary Gensler's potential resignation. Okay, I don't buy that as a narrative thing. Certainly doesn't hurt. Obviously, the fact that there's a changed administration, very positive for crypto, unquestionably. That's why we've been seeing what we've been seeing for the last roughly 10 days, right? And it's actually, XRP actually burst, not 70%, over 100% at this point. But anyway, piece continues. The asset's considerable upsurge has seen it hit a 3-year high, reaching prices not seen since December 2021. XRP also reclaimed a $50 billion market cap, putting it on course to overtake a memed coin, Dogecoin, in the rankings. Yeah, and I will note that it actually has. XRP is now number 6 in market cap, so that's another fun little piece of data. Look, when XRP goes, it just goes, folks. That's just how it is. It's how it's always been, actually. Anyway, peace continues. Meanwhile, XRP's uptick is not the only bullish activity in its ecosystem. On-chain data shows that buying activities have also ramped up as whales look to stack XRP amidst price reawakenings. You don't say. Interesting. Those splishy, splashy whales getting aquatic AF, they snatching up that XRP. Don't mind that. In a Friday tweet, market expert Ali Martinez shares a sentiment data showing that XRP whales are massively amassing the token in large amounts. The data shows that these XRP whales have bought 320 million XRP in the past 72 hours, facilitating the bullish momentum. Notably, the substantial stash was acquired by wallets holding between 1 million and 100 million XRP, with their cumulative bags nearing 11 billion XRP. Also, the 320 million XRP is worth $300 million at the current price. And again, of course, there'd be more at this point because prices have gone up. Furthermore, Martinez's post confirmed an earlier report, which, by the way, I shared, indicating whale activities have reached epic levels. The Crypto Basic reported that XRP whales holding at least 1 million XRP have reached a 6-year high, their stash surpassing 45.61 billion XRP. So if you're wondering, does XRP number go up? Yes, I'm thinking that XRP number go up. I'm pretty sure that's what's going to happen here. We'll just watch everything unfold here. Totally astonishing. Love to see this. And take a look at this. The chart on your screen now shows the number of new XRP accounts created each day, going back the last roughly half a year here. Now, we did see a spike for the last roughly 1/3 of the month of October. And that was because of the creation of those platforms, the creation and launch of the platforms that make it easy to create your own meme coins. And so a bunch of people came in and decided they were going to jump in and create coins, resulted in a whole bunch of volume, new activity on the ledger. Happy to see that. There is one false data point here on October 26th. I don't know why that still hasn't been fixed, but that's not real. It shows that there are only 149 accounts created. That's incorrect. But they used to have the right data on this website too. I don't know what happened, but anyway, so you can see here. So like in a normal day for going back the last 6 months, it might be normal in any given day to have like maybe about 1,000 new accounts per day. And then with the meme coin mania, it increased at about 3,700 here on October 20th, and cooled down a little bit to the point where maybe you're getting a little shy of 2,000 new accounts per day. But what has happened? Mania beginning, obviously. Look what's happened since the election, and as XRP price has risen, look at the number of new accounts. We're talking like yesterday, 5,135 new accounts. That's the biggest day on the chart right here. And today we're at less than that, 4,033, but the day's not over. So I'll not be surprised if that number is way larger by the time the day's over. But yesterday, 5,135. The day before that, 3,302. The day before that, 3,121. The day before that, 3,596. As expected, like I've always said, it's worth repeating. People just, when the price is low, people don't pay attention, they don't care, but when it costs way more, that's when you get to have your life-changing wealth, because this is just how humans act. It's silly. As the price goes up, they feel validated, and that's when they feel safe giving you money and purchasing whatever the asset may be from you, whether it's a stock, whether it's a cryptocurrency. This is just how humans behave. This is going to get way more wild. Like, you're going to have individual days where new accounts are in the tens of thousands. And by the way, I say that because there's already historic precedent. Even back in 2017, there were some really big-ass days like that with over 20,000 new accounts being created. But this cycle is going to have even more humans participating, so who knows what it's going to look like during peak mania. But it's already heating up. So the amount of money that's going to just flow in, I don't know what the price for XRP is going to peak at, but it is going to be wild if this persists, right? Then you get headlines like this, not surprising, from you today. XRP skyrockets to 65-month high in millionaire address accumulation. I just mentioned that, so it's nice to see it covered in news. Then there's this, I love this so much, because XRP, it's not even supposed to be in our portfolio. We were told XRP is going to zero. What kind of idiot stick would ever buy XRP, right? Well, take a look at this headline. XRP outperforming every cryptocurrency in top 100. Suck it, bitch. All the haters out there, you were wrong, and it was so obvious. Your irrational hate for XRP serves you, not you, nor anyone that follows you. Unquestionably, that's true. XRP, the top performer out of the top 100 coins. Not surprising. Then we had this from the Daily Hodl. There's perspective from an XRP hating chart analyst with a massive following. He's got like 600,000 followers on X, 62,000 subscribers apparently on YouTube. Pretty well known. His name's Don Alt. And he said a little something here about XRP. And I like to pay attention to these folks. So even though they're completely irrational and their hatred for XRP makes no sense, and they can't compute that, and they do live in an echo chamber. They absolutely do, where they keep reassuring each other that the negative things they say about XRP make sense, and then they start to just believe it because they're living in this echo chamber. But when an analyst is at least intellectually honest enough, even if they hate XRP, to acknowledge it's going to run away and hit a new all-time high, I'm going to listen to that. And we have an example of that right here. This is a quote from one of his videos on his YouTube channel, Don Alt. And he said, it's a monthly breakout right now, referencing XRP, of course. If it sticks, there's really not that much resistance. So there's a resistance at $1.50, which would be a 2x away. And then one at $3.60, which is a 4x. And that's pretty much it. It's why I'm trading, just because it's a pretty clear trade. And so think about that. So he was saying it back when XRP was in the 70-something cent range, apparently. And we already know it's blasted above $1. So he's saying watch for $1.50 and watch for $3.60. And he's saying, and he's an XRP hater. He does not like XRP. It's irrational, but he doesn't. He's entitled to his perspective, though. But even he is saying, after $3.60, skies are clear. That is new all-time high territory, my friends. Just give it some time. If all these analysts are correct, and usually when they all have the same or similar opinions, then what they're expecting to happen does happen. This is the degree to which this is going to change so many people's lives in very short order. It feels surreal, and I'm sure when it finally does happen, it's going to feel even more surreal. But this really is the position in life that we're in right now. It's just incredible. So kudos to you for paying attention, because I know that there's more attention in XRP right now, but most of the retail activity that you'd expect to come, it's not here yet. There's just so much opportunity. Isn't this just incredible stuff here? So anyway, thanks for going on the journey with me. I'd be very lonely without you. So, and I do appreciate all the support, and thank you very much. I have a real fun time running this YouTube channel. And, it's my most favoriteest hobby that I've ever had in my entire life. And when you've got skin in the game in crypto like this, which I most certainly do, it's just exciting. So anyway, thanks for hanging out. I'm not a financial advisor. You should not buy or sell anything because of anything I say, all right? That would be a very, very, very bad idea. Until next time, to the moon, Lambo.